For scientific research, you need to know about Science Direct, the leading resource for peer-reviewed research in areas like technology and science. I'm going to show you my favorite feature in Science Direct, article highlights. Let's click on an article. Typically, when you find a research article, you read the abstract to decide if that article fits your project. But with Science Direct, you also get the article highlights, or short bullet points that break down the key elements of the research. It's such a time saver. There are many excellent tools in Science Direct to streamline your research process, like setting up research alerts. To learn more, attend our Science Databases workshop, which you can register for from the Connect link on our website.